Two altcoins have seen massive whale accumulation in recent weeks, and the odds of the ETH Spot ETF have just tripled, sending ETH skyrocketing 20% yesterday. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, it's not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Today's YouTube news is sponsored by Morpheus Labs. Morpheus Labs offers multi-chain, low-code solutions for Web2 firms to enter Web3 markets. They provide you with a smooth and efficient way to get your Web3 presence. This comes with a full suite of tools that offer blockchain as a service, ready to use and easy to deploy. Web2 firms can now easily transition from the ground up into a fully functioning Web3 project, including Morpheus AI-powered automation and smart contracts. The best place to buy their Mine token is on KuCoin or Mexi, and for more information, just follow their Twitter with a link down below. The native token of crypto gaming project Gala Games fell sharply on Monday amid fears of a major transfer of over $200 million worth of Gala tokens that traders feared was a hack, and then recovered after the company said the security incident had been contained and the impact wallet has been frozen. On Monday, an unknown party minted 5 billion Gala tokens and proceeded to sell them on decentralized exchange Uniswap. Gala Games representatives had not previously announced the activity, nor did they offer a quick explanation in the project's Discord server, spurring fears that the mass mint and sell was a hack. Eric Schiermeier, Gala Games CEO, who also goes by the handle Benefactor, said in a post on X that the company identified the compromise, and within 45 minutes, we secured and removed unauthorized access to the Gala contract. It's important to note our ETH contract for Gala is secure and under the protection of a multi-sig wallet. It was never compromised. We messed up our internal controls. This should never have happened, and we're taking steps to ensure it never happens again. We believe we've identified the culprit, and we're working currently with the FBI, the DOJ, and a network of international authorities. There is the issue of our daily distribution. We'll be having a node vote on how to handle this issue. As usual, the community will decide how we proceed. Gala's price sank as low as 0.039 in the aftermath, down 19% from the day's high, such as over an hour earlier. It's since recovered and stabilized around 0.042. In the last 24 hours, the Ethereum price has skyrocketed a staggering 20% on the news that the odds of a spot Ethereum ETF approval had grown from 25% last week to now 75%. This comes as the US SEC urged issuers to submit their 19B4 filings quickly. While that doesn't necessarily mean the ETFs will be authorized, the would-be issuers also need their S1 applications approved before the project could begin trading, and the SEC could take an indefinite amount of time to approve the S1 documents. One company in talks with the SEC said it feels like it might be on the right track for approval in a turnaround from feeling weeks ago that the SEC was dragging its feet. Bloomberg Intelligence ETF analysts Eric Balchunas and James Safer raised their odds of approval of the spot Ether ETF to 75% from 25% on Monday, after hearing chatter that the SEC could be taking a more favorable stance towards the applications. They later corrected their statement, saying the odds were related to the 19B4 filing approvals. The SEC is expected to make a decision on VanEck's spot ETH ETF on May 23rd. The anticipation surrounding Ethereum's first spot ETF has catalyzed one of the top 5 trading days in 2024 for the crypto market. Major altcoins, including ETH, Uni, Pepe, Bonk, and Lido, were all seeing gains of over 20% in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's rise to $71,400 for the first time in 6 weeks has become almost an afterthought amid the broader market rally. The overall cryptocurrency market is up by a staggering 8.5% in the past 24 hours and shooting past $2.6 trillion in daily trading volumes, surging by 140%. Miles Deutscher wrote on X, Bitcoin rallied 75% in 63 days after the spot ETF was approved. If ETH follows the same trend, if approved, this would take it to $6,446 by July 23rd. The first coin that whales have been accumulating lately is Litecoin. Data from crypto market intelligence platform Into the Block revealed that Litecoin's largest investors accumulated more than 2.75 million Litecoin in the past 30 days, indicating significant activity. The tweet by Into the Block disclosed that addresses linked to Litecoin whales recorded their largest daily inflows since February, earlier this month. On May 10th, the whales moved over 900,000 Litecoin, worth approximately $74.7 million into their wallets. With whales having deposited over 2.75 million Litecoin in their wallets, the market participants have topped their collective Litecoin stash by more than $228 million at current prices. If the rising trendline stays intact, the Litecoin price could recover to $100, followed by $112. The second coin that whales are buying is XRP. XRP recently took crypto news by storm thanks to a notable buying spree by whales. Market analyst Ellie Martinez recently called out this development on X, saying Ripple whales have bought over 110 million XRP in the past 2 weeks, totaling around $55 million. This is a welcome move in the XRP network because it accelerates a hodl trend, which is bullish because selling pressure is deterred. XRP has been on the receiving end of selling for close to 3 years because of the legal battle between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. During this period, XRP witnessed significant stagnation, but the eighth largest cryptocurrency saw light at the end of the tunnel after a US court deemed it not a security. Our partners at 3 Protocol are a foundational ecosystem that decentralizes marketplaces to promote and enable inclusivity in e-commerce and RWA transactions. It's building for the unbanked, the debanked, the crypto spenders, and those concerned about privacy. These decentralized marketplaces will facilitate seamless transactions without the oversight of CBDCs and legislation that infringes on human rights. They also just announced they were listed on ToadSwap, a decentralized exchange that distinguishes itself through LP integration and unique features. On top of that, they've partnered with DSUI, a unique SocialFi project that merges traditional social networking with DeFi, empowering content creators. 3 Protocol will receive long-term support and have access to an African community, while DSUI receive premium listings and can advertise when the marketplace goes live. Check out 3 Protocol with the link down below. The Pyth Network has recently experienced a remarkable price surge, with its native token Pyth soaring by 13%, following the launch of its new LIUSD price feed. This innovative price feed is specifically designed for LIUSD, a decentralized and unbiased stablecoin, and is now accessible on more than 55 blockchains. This expansion is a significant milestone for the Pyth network, substantially enhancing its reach and utility across the blockchain ecosystem. LIUSD, a decentralized, unbiased, and collateral-backed stablecoin, is soft pegged to the US dollar and developed by listed DAO. This stablecoin aims to provide a reliable and transparent financial tool within the crypto ecosystem. The new LIUSD price feed enhances this offering by offering accurate and decentralized pricing data, essential for the stablecoin's integrity and functionality. Meanwhile, yesterday, Pyth also unlocked $1.58 billion of its native Pyth tokens, worth around $736 million. Of the freshly unlocked tokens, 75% have been allocated for ecosystem growth, 16.67% have been earmarked for private sales, and the remainder will be dedicated to protocol development. Pyth's recent unlock, which increased the token circulating supply by a staggering 105%, comes several months after its token genesis event in November of 2023.